Kris Mayes is being sued. There's a lawsuit that was just filed against her. Let's see, this was filed November 12, 2025. Thank you very much, Barry Goldwater, Institute for Public Policy Research. See, they did a public records request, and Kris Mayes and her team just gave them one little piece of information. Well, it's public records, and they shouldn't be able to deny the public records request to the Institute. Mind you that this is based on public officials and governmental officials' documents, right? Which is allowed to be in the hands of taxpayers, you and I, you guys. So, Kris Mayes, why are you denying the rights of the Institute, or anyone else for that matter, public records, which is our right to see? The records request was in regards to their desire to see the public records of the conspiracy items that Kris Mayes filed. See, she filed a lawsuit against renters, basically stating that there was improper ways of the rental market, right? She says in the lawsuit that she filed, as a consumer protection, quote, effort aimed at promoting fair competition, quote, in Arizona's residential market. The lawsuit was said to protect renters from landlords, okay, who use software to guide decisions on the market values. Okay, so basically Barry Goldwater comes in and says, we want to see this. We want to see the information that brought the conspiracy, and therefore we should be entitled to this information. That's the very stuff that Kris Mayes is holding back, and her team saying, no, we don't want to, however they're saying it, they're not giving it, right? That's the basis of their lawsuit, Kris Mayes' lawsuit against these organizations. Well, they're saying, let us see the truth to what you're doing, right? Well, they can't get it. So they have to file a lawsuit to get what is allowed by law. So you could read it at the end. It says, this is the interest or requesting, declare, obviously the public records, that's their right to have, and anyone else's right to have, issuing an order compelling the respondents to immediately provide these records, and then obviously attorney's fees. So pretty interesting, right? I mean, if you file a lawsuit, i.e. Kris Mayes, why not show the evidence as to how you got to this point? Or is it just not there?